Located in the heart of Douglasville, Deluxe Beauty Supply is quickly becoming a favorite destination for beauty lovers across the greater metro Atlanta area. Since opening its doors in July 2025, Deluxe Beauty Supply has been committed to providing high-quality beauty products, exceptional service, and a shopping experience designed with customers in mind. At Deluxe Beauty Supply, you'll find a wide selection of premium hair care products, wigs, extensions, styling tools, cosmetics, and essential beauty supplies from trusted brands. Whether you're a professional stylist, a beauty enthusiast, or simply looking for the perfect products to maintain your style, Deluxe Beauty Supply offers everything you need to look and feel your best. Serving customers throughout Douglasville and Metro Atlanta, Deluxe Beauty Supply is proud to be part of the community and looks forward to becoming your go-to beauty supply store. Give them a call at 973-687-3807.